All right, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this beautiful, absolutely beautiful 2021 Road Glide Special in Snake Venom. This was the custom color for last year. I'm sure some of you saw it. Is the flip-flop paint goes from green to purple. And this bike has had a lot of money put into it. Got the painted to match tour pack from Harley-Davidson, so it is painted correct. See the color change in it. It's got a D&D 2-in-1 exhaust setup with the ghost pipe on the other side, so it looks even in the back. Has had some motor upgrades done to it, not sure exactly what. We've got the dyno sheets in the tour pack. I think 127 torque, around 110 horsepower. Got the chrome lower forks, so you got the different footboards, highway pegs, brake pedal, full chrome wheels from Harley. Just check out that paint color. I know this is going to be a longer video. I'm trying to show everything on this bike. Y'all just bear with me. It's got all the matching pegs, footboards, got the big air horn on here. It does have some, I think, 16-inch bars. It's a super nice bike. Man, Snake Venom paint color is just awesome. You see the D&D exhaust, tires. Now this bike has not gone through service yet. I wanted to go ahead and get it on here. It is a little dirty. It will get a detail before it gets put on the floor. Man, just a absolutely fantastic bike. One owner bike. It's a regular of ours that traded it in to get a brand new one, so we know the bike well. By the sound, it runs good. Alright. If you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, definitely come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, check it out, man. It's a gorgeous bike, and check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. Alright, y'all come see us.